Hi guys, welcome to Okri's Kitchen. Today we shall be making some moi moi actually, but we'll be replacing the beans with red lentils, so red split lentils. So this is what we'll be using to be making our moi moi today. It's actually nice, honestly. Give it a try if you would like this. So we shall be blending this and making it in the moi moi containers, and we'll be using this wash point sweet peppers, onion, tomatoes, and this is actually chicken stock and a bit of one scotch bonnet and eggs. So that's nice, just to make the moi. So I'll keep you guys posted as we get along. The lentils look like, so they are split, so we're gonna soak them in water for about an hour before we blend them. It's so nice. Thank you. That's it guys, it's been soaking for 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna pour out the water. It's been washed and rinsed. I'm now gonna wash it off and then transfer it onto the blender. That's it now into the blender, and it's all soaked for 30 minutes and it's going into the blender, and that's it. Add in all the fried vegetables, the onion, the tomato and the red bell peppers. This couldn't go in, and we'll just add some water. So adding some water just to blend it. So that's it. So that's it blended now. Just all blended, and just pouring it out to mix it with a little drizzle of oil. So that's it all blended, and we shall add some drizzle of olive oil and then portion them into the various pots for, that's it, drizzle of olive oil, and that's enough. That's just about it. Okay, that's it. This double cube of knorr and a bit of pink Himalayan salt. That's what I like adding in my meal. Shall mix up everything that has been added, the knorr cube, the salt, and every other ingredient. We've added spices, so that's fine. So there are drizzles of oil in this plate, so just don't want it to stick on when it's cooking. So just a bit of drizzle here and there, just to make sure it doesn't stick while it's cooking. All blended into the cup now. So we're gonna add half a portion of egg on. So here is the moi moi. It's just lentil moi moi. It's just kicking up together, so it won't be long. We're cooking it for the next 45 to 60 minutes, but by 45 minutes it should be ready. Okay, so this is the moi moi now ready. We shall be having it with custard, Ambrosia custard. So this is what we're going to be having it with. Thanks. So that's the custard now ready, just poured in. So I'm gonna microwave it for about a minute and then have it with my moi moi. It's all cooked now. It's ready, cooked for 45 minutes already. This is the custard all warmed in the microwave, and this is the moi moi. So we're gonna have a taste of it now. So that's it. Oh, so nice. Nice. And a bit of custard.